Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some shrimp and lobster pilau. Of course you can switch it up and use whatever seafood you have on hand. You can even use all shrimp. So to make this, it's going to be super easy and a quick meal for you to put together for this Lent. So let's jump straight into this recipe by starting with seasoning our seafood. So I already have my lobster and shrimp out of the shell, cleaned and washed, and I'm adding salt to taste and some green seasoning. If you don't have green seasoning, you can use cilantro, English fish seasoning, cookup seasoning, lemon pepper, and we're going to give this a mix and set aside to marinate until we're ready to use it in about 12 to 15 minutes. Next, let's season the rice. So to the rice, I'm going to season with salt, cookup seasoning, and go with some frozen pigeon peas, some green seasoning, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, 1 scallion chopped, carrots chopped, bell pepper chopped, pimento peppers chopped, and some celery chopped. Give this a mix. I forgot to put in garlic, so I'm just going to grate it on the top and then I'll mix that in. So just set this aside and put up a pot on a medium heat, and to that pot we're going to add in our sugar. You don't need a lot of sugar for this, guys, because you don't want to overpower the taste of the seafood. So once the sugar starts to caramelize and it gets a dark amber color, keep turning it. You don't want the sugar to burn. Then go in with your seasoned rice. Spread that out and add some ruku or annatto and then give it a mix. We're going to let this cook down in here for about 5 minutes. Now let's add in water to help it cook. You want enough water to cover the rice grains. I'm also going in with 1 packet of coconut milk powder. I'll mix that in, and I'll also add in some more water because I think it doesn't have enough. So just make sure you have enough liquid in there, but as it's cooking and you're checking on it, you can add more liquid. So cover once it comes up to a simmer. Check it every 10 minutes. Make sure that it has enough water to help the rice grains cook. Keep mixing it. Just ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And cover and allow it to continue to cook until it's almost done. You want it to be 5 minutes shy. So now at this point, it's when we'll add in our seafood. So I'm just going to give the rice a mix. Check your grains, make sure that it's almost done. You don't want to put in the seafood when the rice is not cooked. Then add in the seafood and give that a mix. Mix it in really well. And this is going to take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes depending on the size of your seafood. So spread it out evenly and then cover and allow it to cook until it's finished. Once finished, your shrimp will be pink and plump. Also your lobster will be pink and plump. Give it a mix. Now at this point you'd want to taste and adjust your salt. Mine was perfect and I didn't have to add anything else to it. Just look how beautiful the shrimp is cooked. You don't want to overcook or undercook the shrimp. So once it's finished, all you have to do is plate and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.